Another day in the life of Jeffrey. Had to seal some leaks, roof drains. So, it's what the hell is going on over here? Heating problems. Our marketing department. Look at this old busted up unit. I have changed the transformer and now the contactor works. Wrote bad right there, so because I was going to leave, and then if anybody wanted to work on it, I was going to assume that was bad if I changed the transformer, but whatever. Heating coils not pulling any amps. Something's not right. I checked all these safety devices, thermistors, whatnot. So I gotta pull out these heat strips. So I kind of already loosened them up, but I gotta take off all these wires and all that stuff. But day in the life of Jeffrey. Again, here we go. Yay, freezing my ass off up here. Okay, now I have the heat strips out, and I found out what's wrong. There's no continuity on these little doodads right here. Right there. This little thing right there. No continuity. It should be beeping right now. It's not. See? Make sure I got it on the right setting here. Come on. Yeah, it's supposed to beep and zero out like that. I don't get anything on this. See that? No beep. Nothing. Nada. Yep. So, I got one or two choices. Wait for this part to come in or bypass these two because they're both bad. There's one down here too. Kind of pondering if I want to which that's weird in itself right there. But we'll take a closer look. Get these babies hot. See what we can do. Alright. Another day, the life of Jeffrey.